Hello guys, I just want to show you a quick way on how you can set up your blog if you want to do it on your own or if you want to do some play around and do some practice. This is an instant way on how you can acquire blog posts without spending too much time on thinking how to organize those blog posts, because this method will actually organize your blog posts in their particular categories. So here's a very quick trick. Now, I purchased this expired domain, which is healthywithanya.com. So this is an expired domain and I set up a new WordPress installation. I bought this expired domain because although it has just 2.9 domain rating, the backlinks are pretty nice because it does not look spammy. As you can see, there are a bunch of related stuff for this expired domain: back with mushroom, healthy with Anya. I think this was a personal blog before, so a guide to veganuary. So it's all about promoting healthy things, promoting being a vegan, and a lot of nutritional facts before in this blog. So we wanted to recreate this because we could have a lot of opportunity when we do this right. Now, what I wanted to do is use this Semrush, because here I can save time by just going to this content marketing. And then here in content marketing, I want to use this topic research. Now, here I'm going to show you a trick where you can have your entire blog categorized with every blog post. So I'm going to have this content as vegan. So that will be my main seed keyword right here. And then click this get content ideas. So after completing the research, so look at this, we have around 38 cards right here. And each of these cards will have certain topics based on the card title, and these card titles will be your category. And how we can extract this pretty easy is just by exporting this. So let's export this. I'm going to show you a trick. And here is the exported data. Now, what you do right here, so this is your main topic, which is vegan. You delete this column right here, keep this subtopic. So we don't need all this column. All right, so delete them. And here we will just leave the subtopic and then the content idea. So leave everything. We will remove them. Out here, we have this subtopic right here, and we have this content idea. Now, these content ideas will be your blog post, and this subtopic will be your category. Now, here, in order for you to make sure that you don't have any duplicate of this, so just simply click on data, and then here you will see this remove duplicates. And here, you just select the column B, which is right here, column B, so it will remove all the duplicate. And as you can see, look at that, 520 duplicate found, and now you just have 1007. Now you are pretty sure that these are unique from each other. At the same time, you have these categories right here, which you can just easily set up in your own blog. Now, because I'm gonna actually use this as my blog topic, so you can easily pick your topics right away, your ideas right away, and include them in a category. So the way I'm gonna do that, since I have my new WordPress right here, let's say, for example, I want the vegan recipes. So this will be my category. And here in my WordPress, I'm going to create a new category right here. All right. And then here, that as my new category. So I'll just make it uppercase on the first letter and then click on add new category. So I have my category right here. Now I'm gonna generate a bulk articles using this and include them in that first category that I build. So I'm gonna choose this topic right here because I am gonna run this blog and give you updates in a few weeks or few months how it's going so far using this expired domain. Now here, since I'm gonna copy this, I will be marking this so I know that these are all completed. So going to article AI generator, I'm gonna generate this blog post. So initially this 15 blog posts right here, which are other vegan recipes. Now let's paste that right here in generate bulk articles. Now let's do this bulk generation. But before that, before I completed the bulk generation right here, make sure you add your site right here. So I'm gonna add this. So I'm gonna add my new website right here, which is this healthywithanya.com, and then my credential so I can auto post it. So after you add your site, we're ready to generate the bulk articles. I'll paste them right here. But before that, to make sure that we can auto post correctly, you add this plugin, add new plugin, and then click this upload plugin, browse the plugin. We're gonna add this basic auth master plugin, which you can download from here. So just click this setup guide for automatic WordPress. You will see the link there. So just download that and upload this right here and install that. But let's activate the plugin. And there you go. Now you can auto post. So the last step is go to settings, permalinks. And here, make sure you select this post name so that it helps a lot in SEO. Now click the save changes. All right, let's do the auto posting. So I'm gonna auto post this. I will be using either Claude or GPT-4o Mini. doesn't matter because AI generator writes a perfect article for your blog. So let's choose 3.5 or now. And this is the assist feature. I can have the generated image right away, and I'm gonna choose this modal plus. And of course, we will be auto posting that directly to WordPress, and we will set that as draft for now because it's an expired domain. So we have to publish the blog post gradually, like 2 to 3 blog posts per day. Now here, we will select our site, which is this one, the new one that we just added. And once everything looks good, then we can generate. So since you are posting to WordPress, you can use this feature, add table data. So it's a nice feature, which I will show you once these blog posts have been completed. So let's generate these articles now. You will see right here, those are now in generating status, so it won't take much time. And you will see right here, the 15 blog posts that we posted have now been completed. And you will notice they have post ID. That means we successfully posted that automatically to our WordPress. So we go to post. And here you go. These are all the draft 15 new blog posts that we have. Now let's take a look at one of the blog posts. Let's click on preview and look at this, guys. This is a really nice AI featured image right there. Talking about the keyword right here, the topic itself, how to make a meat dish into a vegetarian dish. Look at this. This is a well-formatted, SEO-friendly with the right number of words. So it has all the formatting required to have your article SEO optimized, and in words itself, I think this should have at least 3,000 words. So let's take a look. You will see right here, we've got 3,104 words, which is very eligible to rank on Google. Now, here, what you need to do, since you know that we grabbed this blog post from vegan recipes and we added already that category, we can now select everything, select all, and then here, click on edit, click on apply, and now you can remove this in and categorize and put that in vegan recipe without spending too much time thinking what could be the category name of this blog post. Now we have it arranged in a category called vegan recipes right there. It's all arranged. Now let's remove this sample WordPress post. All right, now to make another category, let's go back to our cleaned list right here. So here, look at this farm animals. We have this category name. So look at this. This is a really interesting category name. Again, plant-based diet. I'm gonna add that as my new category right here. Go to categories and then this one right here, plant-based diet. Add that as new category. Now let's grab more topics related to plant-based diet. So just make sure if you're doing this your own, make sure you select carefully which one you would like to add as your new blog post. So you'll copy them again. I'm gonna run this new blog and see how it's going after a few weeks. So this new 13 blog post, I'm gonna generate them again. We get from plant-based diet. So I think I got some from farm animals. So let's get from this one, plant-based diet. We've got a lot here. So let's take some few. These 14 new topic right here, I'm gonna copy them, go back to my article AI generator, generate new bulk articles, paste the new 14 topics. So I'll do the same configuration. Of course, I want to have featured image, so my blog posts will be more attractive. I'm gonna auto post them and set them to status as draft. I'm gonna show you the workflow, how you're gonna gradually publish them. Out here, let me put the data table as well and select my site, which is this one. And now let's do the auto posting. So this one, this right here, I'm gonna mark this so that I will know that I completed these blog topics right here. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the new set of articles that we generated have been completed. We've got our post ID. Now let's go back here in the post section and you will see these are the new draft items under the uncategorized. So we're gonna filter it using the uncategorized because by default, they all go to uncategorized category. So let's filter them. So once you apply the filter, you select everything and do the same thing, apply. Now we can easily include them in this plant-based diet. Click on update. All right, now let's do the filter, all categories filter. So these are all our new blog posts. So let's just take a look. One of the created is a plant-based diet enough for our body. Let's preview this and look at this beautiful AI generated featured image right here. And look at this SEO friendly article that we have just created right here. And here's some of the formatting because we selected to add table data. It's here, but if you change the theme, it will be displayed really nicely. So let me show you that. So we go to dashboard. And here in the appearance, click on themes and I'm going to add new theme. So here, the easiest to set up is this theme called Nave. So install this and then activate the theme. So when we go to one of our posts again, also, for example, this one, how to lose weight in a week on a vegan diet. That's a really nice topic right there. And there you go. This is the theme now we have. It's Nave. So now it's displayed nicely. All right. So you can see the different formatting right here. And this is what I was telling you. This is the table that we added. So instantly you have this table right here, which is really nice. And it'll be convenient for your readers to have this in table format. So you scroll down, you have all the format, and then look at this, guys. This is also a nice table format detail that your readers can have a look. And everything you will need to an SEO-friendly article, it's generated nicely. Now, in order for you to gradually publish this on a daily basis, because we are using an expired domain, so we cannot just publish this right away. So we will have the workflow. You install this plugin, so you go to add new plugin again, and search this auto post scheduler. So you add this date here, auto post scheduler, and here, this plugin right here, click on install, then activate. Now we go to the settings of this plugin, go to settings, and here, the fields that you need to configure here. First, this one, start scheduling. So if you want to start publishing it like today, you can have it like 0 seconds. So it will start running the script. So what I wanted to do is have it started in after 2 hours. So you can have it. It will run the script after 2 hours. And here in the auto post schedule, so this will run around 6 to 8. So you can have it set up that way. Every 6 to 8 hours, it will check for an eligible article to be published. So you select hours, and then you scroll down right here. You keep this untick category, so it will select in all categories. And here, you need to have this eligible post statuses selected as draft. And this is the feature you need to take so that it randomly publish an article. All right, so keep that right there. And here, max post per day, these important settings, you keep it 3. So we make sure that we only publish 3 per day. All right, and then update this. Once you updated, don't forget to enable this. All right, now look at this. After 2 hours, it will now start checking for eligible blog posts to be published. And now let's take a look at our blog. And that's about it for now, guys. Thank you and see you in the next one.